Yep. Yeah, right to no. Oh God! You were unreasonably close to the gate. What is going on? Your hands are gonna get dirty there. Welcome back to Colonel Diesel. Today we have a special surprise for you. This is a unique video. My sister just flew in from LA, coming right around the corner right now. You guys are gonna meet her for the first time. Here she is. Jesus Christ! Oh my God! All the way from LA. What are you doing? All right, just flew in from. Where'd you fly in from? LA?
I flew in from Italy.
Oh,
but
Italy.
I live in LA.
Okay. Do you know what we're doing today?
Yeah. Well, I get to drive a first gen.
Yeah. Do you know what a first gen is?
No.
Is an old school 1991 Dodge D250 5.9 Cummins straight pipe with a stack out the back with American Force beadlock on. You have any idea what 90% of that means?
No.
So we're gonna go take a look at the truck. Got some tests lined up for her. I really hope my truck doesn't get destroyed here.
Oh, now I've lost the keys.
You lost the keys?
Where'd they go? Found them.
You got a good old test lined up for her today. First test, offloading the trailer. Nice
that
basic. Truck? Nope. You're gonna be offloading the white truck right here.
That truck?
Yeah, that's the truck you're driving.
Okay. I keep forgetting to put it in park.
Yeah. I guarantee you this truck is nothing like what you've ever driven or possibly ever seen before. The truck has been all over the country since I've owned it for only like 6 months. Took her to Florida, Atlantic City, as many places I can possibly afford to go. This truck is gone with me.
I like these wheels.
You don't know what the size dimensions are, but they're the most expensive 20x10s ever produced by any rim company ever.
I love stars. Now, how do you see out of the windows? It's very, very dark.
You can see it very well from the inside, just the outside you can't see in. Tint is like a one-way type of thing. You don't like the paint on it?
No.
The paint is premium.
Do you like the paint on it?
I love the paint on it.
Oh.
Believe it or not, this gets more attention than any other truck I own. The paint job is referred to as patina in the vehicle world, automotive world here.
You know who that reminds me of?
A tin can. That's a real truck right there that you're knocking on. I guess without further ado, boys, we're gonna get this thing offloaded. She's gonna get it offloaded. Pray to God that my truck doesn't get towed today. Do you know how to work a ratchet strap?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have, they're not the biggest ones you can buy, but they're beefy. They're probably not like what you've ever used before. So you got some good old 2-inch ratchet straps for hauling here. And you also got axle wraps up underneath there, so don't forget about those.
I just did my nails.
That's not gonna be good for your nails. Are you sure you know how to do that? There you go, just like that.
This? And then we just leave it.
No, definitely not, because the
Then-
truck's gonna run over it. Now you gotta make sure you take that axle strap off. Don't want that hanging on there. There you go. All right, first strap is done. Now you have 3 more plus the ramp one. So
Now I know. Watch
yes,
how fast.
okay. She still left
Come
the
back
strap
later.
there.
See
Yep.
what I've learned.
Nope. There you go. Look at that. Perfect execution there. Before we get too far in this video, she has agreed to do everything that we're doing today. So I'm not just making her unload my stuff here. We're doing a test for you guys specifically to see the difference between lifestyles here, kind of.
People want to see the fish out of water. You know what I mean? People in environments that don't suit them. Tar. Tar.
It's grease, but you're good. You're good. Your hands are gonna get dirty today.
It's
Good,
really
you're
stuck.
good. No, it's not.
I need pliers.
No.
Watch me work with people.
This is not proper etiquette. I did not do that. You guys seen it?
I thought we had to put them somewhere. Right?
Yeah, you do, but you're supposed to roll them up. But whatever.
Try to keep up with me.
I'm 10 steps ahead of you without even having to do anything.
Wow.
Never done gooseneck ramps, I'm assuming. Bree can do it. You can do it. Just let it drop from there.
Really?
Yep. Let it drop.
Really?
Yep. Just like that. Have the fender.
No, I'll get tetanus.
There you
I
go.
probably shouldn't grab that.
No, you're good. If you're gonna be driving first gen, you gotta be drinking Miller Lite today.
I gotta move the seat up.
Okay, it's a
Oh,
bench
the
seat
whole
though.
thing goes.
Yep, the whole thing moves. Oh yeah. You gotta ride the brakes all the way down the trailer. Oh, reverse. There you go. Still easy. Do not turn the steering wheel.
Okay.
Brakes are a little squeaky. She's been sitting for a week or 2. Good, you're good, you're good. Yep.
I feel like I'm in a tractor.
This is a certified street tractor. Yes. Watch. Watch that. Turning radius is not very good. You actually have to be careful with this. The turning radius is not good. Make sure there's nobody coming that way. You're most likely gonna have to go into the other lane with the turning radius that you got going on here. So for the love of God, do not kill us or hurt the truck too badly. Oh, a little bit of rubbing. A little bit of rubbing.
That doesn't feel good.
Pull up to the pump here. Nope, that's a gas pump. You need the fuel pump back there. Yes.
Diesel is fuel. Gas is gas.
Gasoline, yeah.
You're welcome.
We have to fill the old girl up with fuel. So go ahead and do that.
We're gonna use this pump. So dirty.
Where are you going with
I
that?
don't know.
Fuel tank's right there.
It's done.
$94. Not bad for the old girl. All right, third task of the day. We are changing the, not changing the oil, looking at the oil. Pop the hood here. I probably should have let you do that. All right, go ahead and pop the hood here. There you go. Boom.
Wow.
Look at that beauty.
Just kidding.
Got you some racks here. Those are premium, so don't waste them.
These are nice. I know that this is the battery, and if it's dead and you want to jump it, you put the jumper cables on that part, and then you jump it.
Yeah, you learned that today.
That's right.
Engine oil, right here. Pull that, make sure it's good to go.
Let me show you how you can tell.
You
Why is this so long? Never end.
No,
Let me casually check the oil.
So you have to wipe it first and then re-dip it and then pull it back out to see where it's at, because the oil sloshes around in there. All right, yep, almost. There you go.
The big reveal tells you.
No.
Safe.
It was safe. The oil level was safe, so the truck is good. All right, next up is transmission oil. Trans oil, all the way down there.
It doesn't come out. Got it. It looks low to me.
Oh, we're good.
Oh, no, it's good.
We're good. God, it scared me for a second.
All right.
Transmission oil, good. Tires up next here. These tires are rated for about 60 PSI working pressure.
What does it tell you that on this tire?
These tires are rated for 80 PSI cold. We're not filling up to 80 PSI. We don't need them at 80. So about 60 is where I've been running them at. Nope, cap's on. You gotta take the cap off of the wrong way. There you go. Yep. There you go. Without releasing all the air, without releasing all the air in the tire. All right, yeah.
Where does it say?
Right there. Good old 56 pounds. That's good enough. Reset it. We got 3 more to check here.
Reset. Did it work?
I don't know. What's it read? 57 PSI. Good. There you go. Perfect.
Nice.
That was premium there. 58. Perfect.
It's the same as the other ones.
Yeah, it is. 57. You're good. Next order of business, we have to go deliver my brother some wood. And this is actually a slightly difficult thing that I have not quite done yet. So, wood is up there around the corner. We are going off-roading.
In this?
Yeah, right now. All right, you're going to be backing it up around that corner up there to get some wood.
I gotta go in reverse?
Yep.
I told you I'm not good at it.
Well, see how she does. She's doing pretty good so far. I think she figured out the turning radius. Oh, she's spinning. Oh, God. Okay, all right.
I gotta get a running start.
Yeah,
I go forward and then I slide out.
Yep. Perfect. I'm gonna give it a push here. Keep going. Don't let off. Oh, no. All right, third attempt here. Keep the speed up. Yep. Keep her going. Keep going. Oh. Oh my God. You covered my rib in dirt.
I was so close.
Ease forward. Nice and easy though. All right there. Now reverse it. There we go. Oh my God. Stop. You're going into a ditch here.
Help, I got
You're good. You're actually in a decent spot now. Pull forward and try and turn because we got to go up that little trail right there. This thing starts spinning. I do not want to be in front of it. Bird, where are you going? Hey, stop. Miscommunication. My bad. That trail, not that trail. That trail would be very difficult. Turn to the right. There you go. Straighten her out. Now, floor it. Go. Keep going. Go. Good old girl push here. Don't hit a tree. Oh. You hit a stump. Oh my God. We went from oil changes to hitting stuff real quick here. All right, we got company. Greg's coming to help us push the first gen up the hill because my sister don't know how to drive. Turn your wheel straight. You should be good. Keep it straight and don't turn it. Keep it right there. Don't move it. Ready? Ready, Greg? Go. Yep. Keep her going. Keep her going. Yes, perfect. Greg out here doing work. Alrighty. Go ahead and shut her down. You made it. You made it. Barely. Somehow. So we are loading up wood for Cody.
For what?
He's got a fire that he needs wood for.
How many pieces does he want?
The whole pile.
I'll give it. What? Do you have? Oh. Do you have wood hauling gloves?
Nope.
Pigs for Cody.
Jeez, I was gonna break my rear window out.
Loading up the old truck. Gravity hauling the truck. Casey won't give me wood hauling gloves.
We don't have any. You don't need them.
They're all going to the front of the truck right where they're supposed to.
We're gonna film this old girl up here. No, you gotta move. Okay, we're done. She's all loaded up with a pile of wood that we're gonna go deliver to my brother.
I need a snack.
A snack?
Oh, I have one.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out,
Oh, yeah.
I gotta go through a drive-thru. I need something to drink.
Where are we going?
Dunkin?
Dunkin? Coffee at 4 p.m. Let's go. Woo! Alright, we literally just made this on the fly decision. We're gonna try a burnout real quick. Hey, since the road is wet, we might be able to do a burnout. We'll have to brake just enough so it will move. It'll break the rear wheels loose, but it's not gonna go flying for it. First time burnout here. Kinda. Get it over on this side of the road, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna give it a run through to make sure I can even do it. Here, get out and film me doing it. Never done a burnout in this truck, nor have I really even thought it could, but the road's wet, so we're gonna give it a shot here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to do a burnout. I'm scared of this.
On that side, so run in front.
Oh my God. Absolutely stinks.
I try it or no?
No.
Okay. It does ride the clutch pretty hard, so we're not going to have her do it. I don't want to drop a transmission today. Well, farmland in the first gen. That's all you guys need. Oh, Jesus, that was a big rock. The road kind of closes here a little bit, so just stay off to the right. All right, she made it to Dunkin' Donuts. This truck is trash. It was clean when we started.
Can I please have a medium pumpkin spice signature latte? Also, a decaf coffee with cream. Is that everything?
Do you want a donut?
No, that's everything. Thank you very much.
Definitely should have made a wider turn. See, the window's right there. Oh my God. Not even close. Turning radius is not allowed for tight turns. Good? Get it?
It was easy breezy.
What'd you just ask me?
Where's the cup holder?
There are no cup holders. Back in the day, in '91, farmers would never let go of their beers, so they'd never use a cup holder pretty much. That is what happened.
And that's the reason.
That's the reason there's no cup holders in here. All right, the good old street tractor has arrived at its destination. We're gonna go ahead and offload this wood. Hopefully, if she can manage to back it up here. This thing is absolutely trash. Don't hit that. That would not. That'd be a little bit worse than the stump. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. What are you doing? Put your coffee back. You gotta go through the gate. Through the gate. Through the gate. You're not even close. Here's the trail, and that's where she's at. All right, start turning. Other way. Other way. Turn the other way. No, the wrong way. The other way. Wrong way. The other way. Oh my God. Yeah, you're good. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're unreasonably close to the gate.
What do you mean?
Look how close the mirror is to the Look how much room you have over there. You have 1.5 miles on the other side. I can't open this gate anymore. Oh my God, dude. keeps getting worse. What is going on? Yeah, you're good. You're good. Do not know how she just did that. That's pretty sick. Yeah, right there. No. Oh God. Oh my God. Yep. We're almost there. We're almost there. That's the bush. You hit the bush. Good. Perfect. Dialed. Turn it off.
What a success, huh?
You have reached its final destination for the wood.
Where do we put it?
Right there. In the wood pile.
Oh, I see.
Man, look at all that room you got this time. There we go. We're gonna run her through the automated car wash, see how the good old first jet makes it out here. Pulling the good old 1G into the car wash. You're going that side. You're off. There you go. Good old first gen really need a wash after a hard day's work out here.
Did I turn the car off? Ah! I just got soaked. Oh, look, it looks like cotton candy.
Alright, this video almost cost me a lot of money. I forgot my laptop was in the back. Not good. Not good at all. It still turns out. We're good. Good. So first gen is going to be looking better than ever. Hey, guess what I left in the back while we were doing that? Just paid $16 and there's still mud on my mirror. That's like right by the jets too. Unbelievable. All right, we grabbed the med cab, got her back home. Ashley should be pulling in any second with the 1G. Look at her. Oh yeah, scraping all the way to the finish line. Go ahead and shut her down. She's back and she's not dead. This is the review time. How was it?
I gotta tell you what, I'm used to it now. I love it.
We had a long day. We did a bunch of stuff.
We did, and I really do enjoy when I can't make the turn, doing a full K turn or backing up, and like at Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah.
It just helped me be present.
Like
in the moment.
aware of what you're actually doing and driving, and makes you feel alive pretty much. That's what these trucks are built for. Live in the moment. Well, boys, I guess that's pretty much it. My sister, she's going back to New York. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Old girl finally got out and got some work done with her.
I'm just gonna take a piece of paint with me as a memory.
As souvenir. All right, boys, that's it. We're calling it. See you later. Have a good one. Bye.